Hello, welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you through this used approved Volkswagen vehicle. Fresh in stock, we do have the fantastic used approved 2020 model Volkswagen Passat 120PS Estate. It does come in a gorgeous pearl deep black, really highlighting those exceptional features. As a 1.6 diesel, it is the ideal upgrade for those covering extra miles and need that extra space. Fully equipped with plenty of top features all round, including your automatic headlights for enhanced visibility ahead. You do also have your contrasting 17-inch alloys for that added style, alongside your power folding and heated door mirrors for added protection. You do also have your silver roof rails, again contrasting well, along with your parking sensors for enhanced parking. Moving into your boot area, you will find more than enough space to store all your travel plans and day-to-day items, with an extra storage pocket below. For easy maintenance, it does come with a full leather trim, along with being very comfortable all round, with your handy pull-down armrest and central climate vents. Moving into your front, you do have your electronic adjustment for your front driver's seat, followed by your multifunctional full leather steering wheel so you easily navigate around the vehicle. Just opposite, again, your two front seats do come with a full leather finish, again easy maintenance and very comfortable all round. To seamlessly navigate around your vehicle, you do have your audio controls on your steering wheel, with access to your adaptive cruise control, keeping you a safe distance, along with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display all your vital car information, including what music you're listening to, so it is less distracting when you are driving. Of course, you do have a wide selection to choose from on your central display screen, as it does work off your AM, FM and DAB, so a wide selection on there. You do also have your Bluetooth connection if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio. This does come with your app Connect, so it does come compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick connection. For those who love to explore and in an emergency, you do have your built-in navigation system. This does come well equipped with all your points of interest, so you can easily get around, and especially to those nearby petrol stations. You do also have your main vehicle information stored on there as well, so you can ensure the vehicle is in top check, with things such as your tyre pressure, etc. Looking across, you do have all your general settings alongside your user profile selection for that personalised feel, along with your front and rear sensors as well. Following this, you do have access to your climate controls with your two front heated seats with 3 different temperatures, keeping you toasty warm in the winter, followed by your start stop engine button for easy set off, followed by handy cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.